monoplane single-engine fighter to enter service in the RAF. First flight in 1945. And of course, they're still kind of getting production of the Spitfires underway in 1940, which is why they were... It's just it's got a closed cockpit and it's a monoplane. And it's got a bigger engine. But what that does mean, of course, is that when you're trying to suddenly increase production dramatically, a lot of the machine tools and the know-how are already in place. And it's actually creating the machine tools is half the thing. That's one of the things that's most expensive in new aircraft production. The Spitfire, by contrast, is completely new. Everything about it is new, completely unique to the Spitfire. Whereas lots of taken over bits, copied from earlier models. And that does mean that while it's sort of rooted in an earlier generation of aircraft, it is also easier to quickly produce in numbers. And they more than performed the job in 1940, and frankly the country owes it to the Hurricane and the Spitfire equipped with 8 Browning .303 machine guns. They could store enough ammunition to fire for 14.7 seconds continually, which I'm sure I'll agree is not very. Just recognition from the ground. It's better than the Spitfire Mark 1 in 1940. It just wasn't. But it was still a very, very good fighter plane, certainly for 1940. And numbers count. And what the RAF are able to do, and the Ministry of Aircraft repaired engines by 145%. And production itself